Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for ways to enhance your smartphone's capabilities and protect your privacy? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best detector apps available for Android. These apps will help you identify colors, secure your Wi-Fi network, and protect your device from spying threats. Let's dive in and discover how these tools can make your life easier and safer. Anty Spy Detector. Anty Spy Detector is a powerful security app designed to protect your smartphone from potential spying threats. This app scans your device for malicious applications, including spyware and stalkerware, that may be secretly tracking your activities or personal information. It can also detect hidden cameras and microphones, helping you ensure your privacy is not compromised in your environment. Anty Spy Detector provides users with a straightforward interface to scan their device and quickly identify any threats. Overall, this app is crucial for maintaining privacy and security in an increasingly connected world. Wi-Fi Thief Detector. Wi-Fi Thief Detector is a valuable app for anyone who wants to secure their wireless network. This app scans your Wi-Fi connection to identify devices that are connected, allowing you to see if any unauthorized users are using your network. It provides detailed information about each device, including IP addresses and MAC addresses, helping you identify potential interlopers. Additionally, Wi-Fi Thief Detector can alert you when new devices connect to your network, giving you added peace of mind. This app is essential for keeping your internet connection secure and ensuring that you're not sharing your bandwidth with unknown users. Color Detector. Color Detector is an innovative app designed to help users identify and recognize colors in their surroundings. Utilizing the device's camera, the app captures the colors of objects and displays their names and corresponding RGB values in real time. This app is particularly useful for individuals with color blindness or anyone interested in learning more about color theory. Users can simply point their camera at an object, and the app will provide immediate feedback on the color detected. Color Detector can be a fun and educational tool for artists, designers, and those who enjoy exploring the world of colors. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best detector apps helps you take control of your smartphone and ensures your privacy and security. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Which app are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.